Hello and welcome to another limited resources demonstration video. Today we are talking about our shower pay box outdoor garden hose installation. Here is one of our washer shower pay boxes with our waterproofing solution for worry-free outside use. Here is our water valve and we are attaching the garden hose adapter to it. And here's our garden hose, and I'm simply going to begin screwing that into the adapter like so. This is great for outdoor washing services for cars, ATVs, and motorbikes. In stables, it can also be used for horse bathing. Finally, this setup can also be used in conjunction with air fill-up services. One last thing to mention, our power cord that runs from the coin box to the water valve can be customizable to any desired length. For more information on our shower pay boxes and other fine quality products, please visit us at www.limitedresources.us or check out the descriptions below. Thank you very much and have a great day.